Michelle. Thank you so much for joining me today. It's day number 10. Can you believe it? We're going to open day number 10 of our Advent calendar for 2025. I'm so excited. Let's head down to the table and see what's inside. All right. I've got my fun card we made yesterday along with my markers still out. Don't worry, I closed them up. I just need to put them away. Let's open this bag number 10. Oh, nice. We've got another 3x3 stamp set. This time it's a rose. And the sentiment says, thinking of you. Oh, I love that. So nice. Thank you so much again for joining me for opening day number 10 of our 2025 Advent calendar. I hope you enjoyed the contents and you'll join me tomorrow for day number 11. Have a good night.